Welcome to Finding Sources, Background Research, and Beyond. When you're working on a research project, not all sources are the same, and you don't need all of them at once. In this video, we'll look at how to find the right sources and voices for different stages of your project, starting with background information, moving into books and articles for more in-depth information, and finally, using Google wisely to find a diverse variety of information. Let's start with background information. Background research helps you answer the 6 basic questions about a topic. Who is involved? What is it about? Where is it happening? When did it develop? How does it work? And why is it important? The best places to find this kind of information are reference databases like Credo Reference or Gale eBooks. These databases offer encyclopedias, sourcebooks, and topic overviews. To access these databases, start at the LPC Library homepage, click on Databases, then View All, then scroll down to find Credo Reference or Gale eBooks. If you're off campus, just log in with your MyPortal credentials. Once you have one of the databases open, stay broad. Just type in your general topic to see what comes up. Wikipedia can also help, but remember, it's not usually something you cite. Use it to get a basic understanding, grab some keywords, and check out the list of sources at the bottom of the page. Remember to keep track of the sources you use. Save the link, note the title, author, and date, or use a tool like Noodle Tools to keep everything organized. Now that you've answered the 6 basic background knowledge questions, it's time to dive deeper with OneSearch. OneSearch is the library's main search tool. It's right on the library homepage. Use it to find physical books, ebooks, scholarly journal articles, videos, news articles, and more. These sources bring in a variety of voices from researchers, scientists, journalists, and professionals. With your research question in mind, enter a combination of the keywords with "and" in between them, like social media and mental health. If you're not getting useful results, try different wording or use filters to narrow by date, source type, or subject. When you find something helpful, check the location info. If it's a book or other physical item, it'll have a call number. That's like its shelf address. For online articles, click the database link to open the full text. Don't forget to log in through MyPortal if you're off campus. Remember to capture the citation or use the permalink so you can find it again later. Finally, let's talk about smart searching with Google. Google is a powerful tool when used wisely. It's great for discovering diverse perspectives like current news, nonprofit research, government data, blogs, and expert commentary. When searching, use your focused keywords and try adding domain filters like cite::.gov or cite::.edu. And if you hit a paywall, copy the article title and paste it into OneSearch. The library might already have access. Be smart about what you use. Not everything online is trustworthy. Ask yourself, who wrote this? When was it published? Why was it written? Is there evidence? Try lateral searching. Open a new tab, look up the author or organization, verify that their claims are supported by real sources. Remember to save the full link and write down the page title, author, and date, or use a tool like Noodle Tools to keep track of everything as you go. So here's the big picture. Good research doesn't mean collecting everything. It means finding the right types of sources for each step in your process. Start with background info to understand your topic. Use the library's tools to explore expert perspectives. Then use Google strategically to add relevant, diverse voices. And remember, if you're not sure where to start or you get stuck along the way, just ask a librarian. We're here to help.